Have you ever seen a machine that shakes your entire body and claims to help you burn fat? It sounds almost too good to be true. Today, we're taking a quick look at the AXV Vibration Plate fitness machine to see if it actually works or if it's just hype. The AXV Vibration Plate uses rapid vibrations to force your muscles to contract quickly while you stand or exercise on it. This increases muscle engagement and can make even simple movements more effective. Right away, the machine stands out for its compact and modern design. It's perfect for home use and doesn't take up much space. It comes with useful features like adjustable speed settings, resistance bands, and a remote control. When you step on it, the lower settings feel like a light vibration, but as you increase the intensity, your entire body starts working. Your legs, core, and upper body all get involved, especially if you add exercises like squats or lunges. Now, let's be clear, this is not a magic solution for weight loss. You won't lose fat just by standing on it. However, it can help support your fitness goals by increasing muscle activity, improving circulation, and boosting calorie burn. This makes it a great option for beginners, busy people, or anyone looking for a simple, low-impact workout at home. So, does it really shake fat away? Not exactly, but it can be a useful tool to enhance your workouts. If you want to try it for yourself, click the link in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and fitness tips.